How to form JVs with other bloggers. Nowadays, having a blog JV with other bloggers is crucial for increasing your mini internet empire. A good JV with other bloggers means you'll promote my stuff, and I'll promote yours. Before finding bloggers to form JVs with, you should see if your blog is professional enough and has relatively good PR and Alexa rankings. Find other bloggers on Google that are willing for a JV and send them a message or leave them a comment in their posts asking if you two could collaborate. Each blogger is specialized in a field, so try to mix up with other bloggers that know better than you do what to do in the field in which you're a beginner. Collaborating with other bloggers is the easiest and fastest path to success because two or more are powerful than just one. You should have at least one expert blogger on article marketing who can easily increase your traffic and sell your products or services to the online eager customers. You need to find trustful bloggers to form JVs with. People who won't change your password whenever they want to, or even worse, won't steal your work to sell it to other bloggers. Forming JVs with other bloggers is a much easier and faster way to learn, especially as you have expert bloggers to teach and mentor some tips you don't know about yet. And lastly, keep in touch with your blogger mates and try to know them personally, making them your close friends.